the perfume capital of India, and erstwhile Samajwadi Party bastion. It's headed for a close contest between the BJP and the Samajwadi Party. SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav's name has now been confirmed as the candidate from Kannauj, but this comes after 2 days of suspense and another name that was announced, who is his nephew, Tej Pratap Singh. Now, Tej Pratap Singh will take back his candidature from Kannauj and Akhilesh Yadav will contest. Just, to hark your memory, viewers, 2019, Akhilesh's wife, Dimple Yadav, fought from Kannauj and lost.
Akhilesh Yadav wanted a cliffhanger ending to who will be the challenger for the BJP in Kannauj.
ये जब नॉमिनेशन होगा तो आपको खुद पता लग जाएगा। भारतीय जनता पार्टी इतिहास बन जाएगी इस चुनाव में।
But his party leadership decided otherwise.
कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं, कल 12 बजे कन्नौज में अखिलेश यादव नामांकन करेंगे। नो कंफ्यूजन।
The Kannauj Lok Sabha constituency has been the bastion of the Samajwadi Party for long. For 2 decades, since 1999, they represented Kannauj in the parliament only to lose it to BJP in 2019. Shubhrat Pathak won the seat by less than 13,000 votes, defeating SP nominee and Akhilesh's wife, Dimple Yadav. On 22nd April, Samajwadi Party announced that the party is nominating Akhilesh's nephew and Lalu Prasad Yadav's son-in-law, Tej Pratap Singh Yadav, as its candidate to fight from Kannauj. BJP was overconfident with the nomination of Tej Pratap Yadav.
देखो, हम कन्नौज के जन्मे लोग जरा दूसरी मिट्टी के लोग हैं। मुकाबला रोचक होना चाहिए, बराबरी का होना चाहिए। और मैं दावे से कह रहा हूं कि अगर अखिलेश के अलावा कोई भी चुनाव लड़ेगा, समाजवादी पार्टी समाप्त हो जाएगी, मेरे साथ खड़ी होगी। योग्यता उनके परिवार में ही होती है, तो कुल मिलाकर परिवार वाला भी व्यक्ति स्थिति है। हमने कहा कि किसी को भेजोगे, यहाँ जमानत नहीं बचेगी।
Kannauj will vote on 13th May during the 4th phase of polling. 25th April is the last date to file nomination for this Lok Sabha seat. With Red Topi Chief throwing in his hat in the ring to fight, battle for Kannauj has become the hot one to watch out for. Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's cut across right now to my colleague Samarth Srivastav joining us with the latest. Samarth, interesting. What made the Samajwadi Party take back the candidature of Tej Pratap and then Akhilesh Yadav now coming in the fray, filing his nomination from Kannauj tomorrow?
Well, exactly, Preeti. The battle of this particular perfume capital has become very interesting, and the way candidature has been changed within days has, in a way, left many political pundits in dismay. Because this is one thing. Earlier, it was Tej Pratap Yadav's name 2 days before, and it was the official confirmation made by the Samajwadi Party. But later, when the Kannauj unit of Samajwadi Party were the leaders were quite upset and, in a way, approached Akhilesh Yadav, they were contacted and they went to Lucknow in party office and met Akhilesh Yadav and said that Tej Pratap's nomination could leave party in danger in Kannauj because one point is that the nomination, the name of the candidate has taken a lot of time, and if you, despite coming again and again in the previous months, if you won't contest from here, then it could be not be a bigger fight against the Shubhrat Pathak. So that's why Akhilesh was convinced, and later today also in Itawa we were there and we also questioned Akhilesh Yadav, but he kept on saying that you have to wait till tomorrow, and suddenly around 30 minutes back an official confirmation from the party came where it was tweeted that Akhilesh Yadav will file nomination tomorrow in Kannauj around 11 a.m. Though there was a bit of confusion, Akhilesh in a party meeting in Saifai clearly told his leaders that I wanted Tej Pratap to fight from Kannauj. Earlier he wanted Tej Pratap to fight from Rampur, and then he wanted Tej Pratap to fight from Kannauj. But when he, in a way, initiated this particular thing to the party workers in Kannauj, they were quite upset and they convinced and stressed on the point that Akhilesh Yadav should contest from Kannauj, and that's why he had to take this decision.